Okay, for you guys' quick tip today, I'm going to be walking you guys through a rear lid drive unit programming after the rear lid drive units have been replaced on an Audi.
Today, this is going to be located within your guided functions on this Audi, and the system we're going to go ahead and select is 6D rear lid electronics. Let's look for 6D rear lid electronics. Okay, we're going to go in there, and then we're going to select guided functions. 6D basic settings, rear lid control module. Rear lid is opened and closed. Make sure there are no persons or objects within the opening range of the electrical rear lid during testing. All right, so ignition switch on, 12-volt battery, 12-volt charger, if necessary, and that is pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and press the continue button. All right, do you want to continue? Yes. And continue. All right, rear lid is closed, so we're going to hit continue. Open the rear lid using the release button and rear lid handle. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, now it wants me to close it. All right, the basic setting has been performed successfully. That's your guys' quick tip. Thank you.